there's a door in the upper story.
Yeah, you'll have a high def movie of your little expedition to show your buddies. You'll be able to show all your buddies. I'll put the movie on the disc. Old shoulder's feeling pretty good this morning.
You're doing okay? How
Yeah.
did it go the other day when you guys were out camping?
When it gives me hell is sleeping.
Yeah.
If I roll over on it the wrong way, man, it'll let me know about it.
You camp? Did you camp? Or where did you sleep?
We have inflatable air mattresses. We sleep in the tent.
But it doesn't matter where you're sleeping, it's just wherever when you sleep it hurts.
Yeah, it's a little more difficult in the tent. Okay, we're getting going and heading south down Hood Canal.